have been doing some sewing, which I am so happy about. So what I decided to do today is to share with you some of the patterns that I have made, and this will give you a sneak peek into some of the videos that you can expect to see coming up in the future. So the first sewing pattern that I want to share with you that I have made recently is Simplicity 8697, which is a blazer, and it's an oversized blazer, so I will have that coming up for you soon. The next one that I made is McCall's 7757, and I made the short flouncy top. The next one is Vogue 8894, and that is a dress that is pretty long, kind of long, and it has a handkerchief hem. The next one that I made is Simplicity 8513, which is a bodysuit that I have made a ton of times. I just love this pattern, so I made it again, but this time it has a little twist to it, so you'll get to see what that twist is coming up. The next one that I made is Butterick 6207, and this is just a knit top that I made. The next one is Simplicity 1325. I made the t-shirt pattern before, but in the make that I made recently, I actually made the romper dress. Next is McCall's 7630, and I made the little short top there. And then the last one is Simplicity 8740. And this is another cardigan. So I made one that I have a video about, and it's a black one. And this one I made again, and I made a different view, so it's just a little bit different. So yeah, those are just some of the things that I have made recently, and I just wanted to share that with you. And before I go, my love share for today is that in New Jersey, it is illegal to pump your own gas. Thought that was interesting, so I wanted to share that with you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you